The challenge for brand new drivers is differentiating between controlled and uncontrolled intersections, because these two different types of intersection have different right-of-way rules, and for new drivers it poses a challenge. Today with Willie, this was what we were working on, and turns at both stop sign and traffic light intersections. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information.
It's good advice though. I was like, yeah, I gotta actually move my whole head, not just my eyeballs.
Yep. One of the myths in driving instruction is that students can't wear sunglasses.
Oh yeah.
That's rubbish.
Oh, okay.
That's not true. If you need sunglasses, because like in weather like this, I can't see.
Yeah.
Like I'm squinting all the time, and if I'm squinting all the time, you're not a safe driver.
Yeah.
So you need to wear sunglasses. And you can't just move your eyes and drive. You have to move your head. Exactly what you said. Okay, so keep some space, shoulder check over, and then come back around, and we're going to go right here.
Okay.
So this is a two-way stop, okay? There's no little rectangular under telling you it's something else.
Yeah.
So stop here. Stop, stop, stop. Full stop. Now you can move forward, and you find your gap. Okay, that person switched lanes, so now you can move out. Preparation to go. There you go. One more shoulder check and we proceed. In the direction you're going. I'm going to give you a little demonstration here. Just pull over to the right. All right, so signal, mirror signal, shoulder check. Okay, just before I head out, another shoulder check, and we proceed. Okay, this is a park lane over here. I know it's not really well defined, but you want to be close to center, okay? Both hands on the steering wheel. And if I'm going to turn right here, shoulder check, and now I move over because it's clear here, okay? Intersection's clear, shoulder check right here. I don't have to slow down, okay? Accelerate. See how I keep my hands in contact? You don't have to work the steering wheel back. Left turn, shoulder check. No cars, intersection's clear. Okay, right here, shoulder check again. Hand over hand. Let the steering wheel come back through my hands. Okay, I got somebody on the road. And I should have shoulder checked there just before I moved over. I just didn't want to catch that thing on the middle of the road. So now I'm staying back because it's a red light, and I also have a skateboarder that I need to figure out what he or she's doing, right? Okay. Left turn, shoulder checking. Just as the stop line rolls under the front of the car like that, that's where you stop. So here, when I go left, they're going to come through left, nice and slow here. Now I can proceed, okay? Shoulder check, around. Keep my hands in contact and just let the steering wheel slide back through my hands. Okay, shoulder check, head movement, coming up, stopping, just as the line rolls under the front of the car, right here, boom. Red light, I can go on a red, shoulder check, creep forward, it's gone to green now, but I check again, right? And then one more time before I pull out into the lane. Just hold my hands against the steering wheel, just that little correction at the end. Okay, this one's a four-way. See the little rectangular sign underneath? Complete stop. Nobody else in the intersection, I can proceed. So four-ways are different than two-ways. This one is a two-way. We know it because there's no rectangle underneath. Okay, mirror signal, shoulder check, up, stop just behind the line. Now we creep up because we've got a sidewalk here and we might have pedestrians, right? Creep up, just before we get to the intersection, nice and creep. Nobody coming, shoulder check, boom, we go. Okay, accelerate, just let the steering wheel slide back.
This video is made possible by the course package, Pass Your Driver's Test First Time, because we know that your driver's test is the most stressful day of your life, and without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details.
into the left turning lane. Just as the line slides under the front of the car, stop. Okay? Now here, we've got a long line of cars coming at us. So when it goes to green, we move forward and put our front steer tires on that front crosswalk line. That's where we wait. Okay, so now we move forward. Right here. We wait here. And we're anticipating our gap. So when that car gets near the crosswalk line, like right there, now we can start moving forward and meet the gap. Okay, shoulder check, and we proceed. Keep our palms in contact, just a little bit of correction. Nobody in the crosswalk, no one in the intersection. Your signal shoulder check. Stopping behind the crosswalk, waiting for the gap. Nobody here. Just as they start to come in the intersection, shoulder check. You probably could have waited for that car. Okay, it was probably a little bit close. Now here, we got somebody on the road. We just slow down. We let them get closer to the curb because we need minimum 3 feet between us and them, right? And if you're ever unsure on the test, just stop. Okay, same thing. Shoulder check again. Contact. Over. Shoulder check again twice. Right over. Put your signal back on. Just like that. Nice. What kind of stop sign is that?
4-way.
Perfect. What kind is this one?
It's a 2-way.
Perfect. We're going to go right here. Whoa. Don't get lazy on me. What'd you do?
Oh, I was about to roll through.
You did roll through. Don't fail on me because you rolled through a stop sign.
So is it different with red lights?
No, red light still have to come to a complete stop. But I know what you're asking me. At an uncontrolled intersection, so when you're going down and there's a 2-way stop on the cross street and you don't have a sign, then you can roll around. Now I know why you did it. Okay, we're gonna go left here. So this is what we're gonna work on today. We're gonna work on your head movement and we're gonna work on turns. So slow down. So right there, now you can move forward and go. You don't have to stop. Just slow down. Just go nice and slow. As soon as that car hits the intersection, right, the front of that car, then you can move forward and meet that gap and then you can turn. You don't have to stop. We're gonna go left here. So when the light goes green, you're just gonna roll nice and slow forward until that car comes in and then you're gonna meet that gap. So what that means is the gap is in behind that car, right? Mm-hmm. And that's where you're gonna turn into. Okay. So nice and slow, nice and slow. Nope, don't brake, right there. Keep, now go. Nice, nice. And so we're gonna go right at the traffic light, the next traffic light. And then I want you to be kind of around the 10, 15 kilometer an hour to go around the corner. Okay, so here you signal, shoulder check, nice and easy, and then come to a stop just behind the line. Right here, stop, because it's a red light, right? Now you can creep forward and look. Okay, clear, proceed. And we're going to go straight, so get it up to 50 as quickly as you can. Now we got the cyclist there, so you probably want to just say, I'm going to cover the brake because we're not sure what that cyclist is doing, right? Here, 1 sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. Click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best. Bye now.